seamless, secure, and incredibly fast. That's the power of mobile payment, and it's fully supported by Neon. Using your Neon MasterCard with both Apple Pay and Google Pay is designed to be effortless, whether you're an iPhone or an Android user. For Apple Pay, the setup is super simple. You can actually initiate it directly from the Neon app. Just head to your card section, tap Add to Apple Pay, and follow the automatic setup prompts to push your card details right into your Apple Wallet. Alternatively, you can open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch, tap the plus sign, and follow the steps to add your Neon card manually. On the Google side, you'll use the Google Wallet app. Open Google Wallet, tap the option to add a card, and enter your Neon MasterCard details, the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once verified, your card is tokenized, meaning a unique, encrypted number is used for transactions instead of your real card details, adding a critical layer of security. Once activated on either platform, you get instant convenience. At any terminal that accepts contactless payment, you just hold your phone or wearable up to the reader, authenticate with your Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode, and the transaction is complete. You can also use it for quick, in-app, or online purchases wherever you see the Apple Pay or Google Pay logos. This integration isn't just about speed, it's about protection. Because of that tokenization, your actual card number is never shared with the merchant. This makes mobile payments with your Neon card significantly more secure than pulling out your physical plastic. So, ditch the wallet bulk. Neon fully embraces the future of finance by connecting your digital account directly to the world's leading mobile payment solutions, keeping your transactions easy, private, and fast.